Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok recap 2025 easily and quickly. This feature is officially provided by TikTok, so you don't need any third-party ads. And make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok app and then make sure your app is already updated to the latest versions because this feature will not appear if you are using an older versions. And after that, just go to your inbox like this. Just tap on the inbox and then TikTok recap 2025 will automatically appears at the top of the inbox like this. But if you don't see it there, don't worry, sometimes this recap button also appears on your profile page. Usually will appear over here, on below your bio, over here. So make sure to check the post, the inbox on and your profile. And once you find the recap button, just simply tap on it.
With that, the 2025 season comes to an end.
And then just tap on it again.
With that, good night.
Like this, and TikTok will then show you your recap video like this, which contains highlights of your post and your activity throughout 2025. And on here you can also choose a recap template that match your styles. Over here, just choose the the templates that you want, like this. It has many recaps. It has many templates. Just choose one that you like. And after choosing the template, just tap on next if you want to post on your feed. Just type your captions over here and then hashtag, and after that just tap on post, or you can also post it to your story by tap on this button. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily make your TikTok recap 2025 in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.